Do it for the art. Here we go. Let's grab this. We're gonna tie him up. It's gonna go in the ground. What the hell is this? What is this? What are the directions? I did not. There's no instructions. It assumes that I'm gonna be smart enough to figure this out, which, it's only getting worse. Help. What am I gonna do? This is not right. I'm gonna have a lot of footage of me untangling this that I'm gonna have to edit. And be like, why was I so stupid? I am so confused. A little baby body. Scout's all tied up. You can't see her, but she's doing good. She's tied right there. Pippin is off leash because it's pretty fenced in and he's also a coward, so he won't run away. Let's set up the art space. This table is my landlord's and I've already almost destroyed it with paint, so I might as well start being careful now. Want to play? Yeah. He likes it. Oh, what a good boy. See, that's recycling. That's recycling done correctly. No. Brand new thing for paint. So exciting. I brought my iPad, and because I like the thrill of danger I, get when I'm like, oh shit, did I get paint on it? But no, I didn't. The art supplies. Scout's just hanging out back there. She's upset because she knows she's tied up and she can't do shit about it. Some lots of brushes. I thought I could try to use these things today. ASMR. ASMR. Does my sound ruin it? Brushes. Thick thighs save lives. Oh yeah. This is November. Yes. Oh. Paint. I'm very ADHD in the middle, where sometimes I have hyperactivity and sometimes I have just like, spacey dreamy, which means mostly I did really well in school, but I would like forget things. People didn't understand how I would forget them. And so I would just say, well, I'm just stupid. And they're like,
no, you're so dumb.
You're getting straight A's. You're not stupid. And I was like, I don't know why I don't know what day it is, or where I left any of my belongings, or why I can't remember anyone's name. But I will do well on that test, and I will write that essay because I want teachers' approval. Paper towels, because I'm a messy bee. Don't curse on this channel. Shit. I curse in real life, but I don't curse on this channel. Shit. Because there's too many babies on YouTube. I know there are. I don't think babies on YouTube are watching me, but you never know. No cursing babies.
Watch your profanity.
Beautiful. Oh God. Bumblebees are dying, right? Oh God. Am I watching a bumblebee die? Circle of life. Sis needs a new angle. Can you see any of it? Oh, you can. You can see my dog and my art supply and well, curly butt. Ooh, art and thighs. You're welcome, internet. Ugh. I'm gonna do some thinking. You can watch my dog while I think. Protect myself, okay? Don't let anybody hear my phone.
Bye, have a great time.
That was irresponsible. I'm getting stressed out. Just sitting here thinking. So I need music. I'm doing art outside. Surrender. I want to eat it. God, there's so much shit. Don't curse on this channel. Falling on the canvas. Maybe that's why people don't paint outside. Wow. Hello. Beep boop beep boop beep boop beep boop. So much shit. Don't curse on this channel. It's gonna be in my art. It's okay. Yum 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 yum. You don't really know what you're gonna get. Well, maybe people who know what they're doing know what they're gonna get, but I certainly don't. Oh, yes. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, I love the chunkiness. Chunk. Look at that. so fucking good. Don't curse on this channel. Mmm, yummy, chunkiness. I mean, that's just fun. That's just fun. I always wonder what painters are thinking as they're painting. Like, are they tranquil? Are they peaceful? Me, I'm just kind of like, yes! Yes! I'm like excited. Look at it. Look at it go. Pop a bright color. It's so good. It's gonna be chunky as hell. I'm making it real fat. I'm like barely even blending the beautiful mermaid ocean that I love. Oh, yes, I love that. Oh yeah. Heavy body. I don't know what that means. Heavy body. Heavy. What's happening next? Who knows? Well, that's real heavy body. I don't know if I like that. Oh, yes. Kind of. Oh. Don't curse on this channel. It came out. Okay. Maybe I can put my heavy body weight to use here. Nothing wrong with the heavy body, girls. My heavy body needs to move. I move my heavy body regularly. I don't even have a heavy body. I'm full of shit. Don't curse on this channel. Depends on who you talk to. Like, if I was in LA, I'd be fat, and that's okay. Everyone here likes to have a little more junk in the trunk. This is not what I wanted. Not yet. Chewed up bubblegum. Now, I would wear that. I would eat that. And that's what I want in my paint colors. Ooh, yeah, like princess bubblegum. Queen bubblegum. Yes. Why isn't she a queen? Does she need a king? That seems kind of sexist for the world of Adventure Time. Why is Princess Bubblegum a princess and not a queen? She is in her own right the only leader. Is that how? Reminds me of Willy Wonka. Like, he would make candy out of this color. That's interesting. Feel it, Mr. Krabs? Yes! I think an e-girl would put this in her hair. Hey, if you're an e-girl out there and you want to put this exact color in your hair, hit me up. I don't know how I'm going to help you with it, but I just want to know that you're doing it. Woo, nature. Huh? Oh, I love that.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I'm really happy so far. It's crazy how you can just go into painting, do something that someone might think is complete trash, you think is awesome, you're both right. Woo, 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 hey, stay inside, huh? My dog tried to attack some people. It's fine. Oh, I love this pink moment right now.
No, you are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
It's all in my face now. Come here, bud. Ah, yes. Ooh, picking a water bottle. Yeah. That's your favorite. That's your favorite.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oops. Next project. This is a piece I got from IKEA. Good. Ooh, interesting. hope you can see what I'm doing here. We love an artsy, messy queen. Oh yeah. Interesting. I think it's like, it's definitely soaking in. I wonder what kind of effect that's gonna have. Oops, I forgot to show you me taking off most of the tape. Let's show you the last one. Wow, what a meaningless gesture. I'm new to the YouTube game. I got caught up. Okay, but look at that. Interesting. Fun way to spice up your IKEA art. Oh my god, the aftermath. The aftermath. I have to clean all this and this. Painting outside with your dogs in Egypt. Thank you for joining me. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Please like and subscribe. Please. 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 Yes. 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 Bye.